Good morning, grade 4. Today we have to do unit number 1, lesson number 4, and this is about sentences. Particularly, we are going to study about present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? In this tense, we just talk about the things or the actions which are happening now. Whatever is happening now. For instance, all of you please look around and see what is happening in your surroundings. For instance, I am talking now. I am telling my students about present continuous tense. Or for example, I am recording a lesson now. These are all examples of present continuous tense when something is happening right now, or when some actions are going to happen in near future. For instance, I'm going to eat an ice cream in a while. I'm going to shut down my mobile for a while. I'm going to Italy tomorrow. So all these sentences, they are going to happen in near future. So students, is it clear what is a present continuous tense? Present tense is something which tells that something is happening right now. And if something is happening, then we will be using present continuous tense. What is so special about present continuous tense? In present continuous tense, we use ing with the verb. For instance, I am blinking my eyes. So ing. With blink, I have added ing. Now I'm going to tell you how to make sentences using present continuous tense, or how to construct a sentence using present continuous tense. Now, before we'll start sentence construction, I'll be telling you about how to integrate to be form. It can be singular, it can be plural. You're very well aware of what is singular. Singular means single, and plural means many. More than one. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. With he, she, it, we always use is. We always use am. You are, we always use are with you. We are, they are. So the plural verb to be is we are, they are. Now, it's important to know about vowels and consonants as well. What are vowels? I'm sure you must have a very good idea about it because you have had been doing it since your kindergarten, I think. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. We use an with vowels. For instance, an ice cream, an orange. Consonants. All the other letters, they are consonants. Apart from A, E, I, O, U, all other letters are consonants. For instance, B, D, C, L, M, they are all consonants. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U, and all other letters are consonants. Is it clear, children? Good. Now we will study some rules about adding ing. There are 4 rules mentioned in your book. Number 1. You have to add ing at the end of the verb. Cry. But if you are crying now, so you will be writing I am crying. So when you have to write crying, you have to add ing. Crying. Now, similarly, if I have to construct a sentence, if a baby is crying in front of me, so I have to write it. I will write baby is crying. So at the end of cry, I will add ing. Baby is crying. I will write cry and then I will add ing. This is the simplest form. Your rule number 1 is the simplest rule. What are you going to do in the first part? you simply have to add ing with the verb. Cry is a verb. Whenever, what is the baby doing? Baby is crying. So cry is a verb. Now look here. Simply add ing with the verb. For instance, eating. Eat and add ing. And then you can use this particular verb in present continuous tense. Eating. Eating. Simply add ing with the verb eat. And you can use in the sentence. I am eating my dinner. I am eating some snacks. I am eating crisps. So this means right now I am eating some crisps. And how will I write? I will simply add ing at the end of verb eat. Now this is the first rule, that is to add ing. The first rule is to add ing at the end of the verb. Number 2. Drop e and add ing. Now we have to cut or drop e and then we have to add ing. For example, dance. Dance is a verb. If I am dancing right now, what I am going to do is, and I have to construct a sentence, I will cut this e in the end and I will write ing. So the spellings are going to be dance, e is removed, ing. I have cut this e and now the spellings have become dancing, dancing. No e at all. E has been removed. If you read the word drive, drive is a verb. Drive, for instance, I am driving a car. So here again there is e in the end. What are we going to do? We are going to cut this e and we are going to add ing. Drive, we will cut this e and when we will write driving, when we have to construct a sentence in present continuous tense, we will be writing driving. Now the spellings are going to be driv, no e, ing, driving. Similarly, smile, beautiful word and a beautiful verb indeed. Smile, again there is an e in the end. What are we going to do? Yes, exactly children. We are going to remove this e. We are going to cut this e and then we will be adding ing. So spellings are going to be smiling, smiling. No e at all. Is it clear? Whenever there is e in the end, we drop this e, we remove this e, we cut this e and we add ing. Like in case of dance, dancing, no e. Drive, driving, again we have cut this e. Smile, smiling, again we have cut this e. Is it clear children? Again revise. In the first place we added ing with the verb, like in case of crying, like in case of talking. In the second case we have dropped the e and we have added ing, like in case of dancing. Number 3, or the third rule, you have to double the consonant and add ing. What you have to do, you have to double the consonant and then you have to add ing. Let's take a look at the example. Hop, hop. Hop is a verb. Hop, hop, hop. Jump, jump, jump. Frogs, they hop, hop. Here, what we have done, we have doubled the consonant. But children, have you noticed something? There is a vowel. There is a vowel behind the consonant. O. O is a vowel. So that's why we have doubled the consonant and we have added ing, because O is a vowel. So we will double this consonant P. Spellings of hopping will be HOPPING, hopping. Again, H-O-P-P-I-N-G. What we have done? Because this P, a consonant, has a vowel at the back, we have doubled it and we have added I-N-G. What are the steps? Let's practice again. We have another verb, plan. N is a consonant. It has a vowel, A. It has a vowel before. So what are we going to do? We are going to double this consonant and then we will add I-N-G. We will double this consonant N and we will add I-N-G. Now the spellings are going to be P-L-A-N-N-I-N-G, planning. Again, P-L-A-N, plan. Then we will double this consonant and the spellings are going to be P-L-A-N-N-I-N-G. The next verb is skip. Skip. Now, what are we going to do? Again, this consonant has a vowel at the back. This consonant P has a vowel at the back. Very good, children. What are we going to do? Please tell me. Yes, exactly. We will double this consonant P and the spellings are going to be S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G, skipping. Again, do it yourself. You will say it now. This consonant has a vowel E at the back. So what are we going to do? Yes, exactly. We will double this consonant L and the spellings are going to be T-R-A-V-E-L-L-I-N-G. We will double the consonant and we will add I-N-G. Is it clear, children? Now quickly do the last one. Here, what we have to do, we have to change I-E to Y. First we have to change I-E to Y and then we have to add I-N-G. What we have to do, children? We have to change I-E to Y and then add I-N-G. Let's practice. Die. We will change. We will remove I-E. We will change it with Y first and then we will add I-N-G. Die, dying. Die, dying. Again, lie. L-I-E. We will change this I-E. We will remove this I-E and we will add Y. In place of I-E, here we have written Y. L, not I-E. What we have written here? Y. And then we have added I-N-G. 3 steps. What you have done? L, you have removed this I-E. You have added Y. And then you have added I-N-G, lying. Same you have to do in tie. T, T-I-E, tie. Yes, children, tell me what you have to do at first place. Very good. You will remove this I-E. In place of I-E, what will you write? Yes, you will write Y. In place of I-E, what will you write? Y. And then you will add I-N-G. Now the word will become tying. Tie, tying. Is it clear, children? Now, again, quickly read four rules with me and then you have to practice these 4 rules in your sentences. The first rule is you simply need to add ing at the end of the verb. Like cry, crying. Simply you have added ing at the end of the verb. You have changed nothing. You have added only ing. The second is drop e and then add ing. Like in case of what? Like in case of? Come on, who is going to tell? Exactly, dance. You have removed e and you have added ing. Like in case of drive, you have removed e and you have added ing. Excellent, children. Double the consonant and add ing. Again, like in case of hop, at the back of this consonant there is a vowel. So we will double the consonant and we will add ing. Tell me the other word. Yes, come on, children. What should I do? Should I do with this tie? No, because for tie we have to apply the Y rule. So what else we can do? Come on, come on. Should I do with smile? Should I double E? No, it's E. For E, what rule were we following? We were removing E and we were adding ing. So we will follow, for smile, we will follow that E rule. What should we do now? What should we do? Where should we find the other word which we have to double? How about this word plan? A. This N has a vowel at the back. Very good. So what are we going to do? We are going to double N and then we will add ing and the word will become planning. Is it clear, children? Good. Now, the next word, in the next rule, what we have to do? We have to change IE to Y, the easiest one, written right at the top, IE. First you will have to write Y and then you will have to write ing and the verb will become dine. Is it clear, children? Very well done. Now you have to attempt question number 3. You have to attempt question number 3. You have to sort all these verbs in these 4 groups. What you have to do? You have to sort all the words written in this box in 4 groups. Okay, is it clear? Now, you have to do it yourself and in a while I will be sharing answers with you. Then you can check your work whether you have done it correctly or not. Now, question number 2. Since we have discussed present continuous tense in detail and now you know how you have to construct a sentence for present continuous tense, you have to look at these 5 pictures and then you have to read the words or phrases given in the box and you have to construct sentences. Now read the phrases with me. In the classroom. Now in the picture, where is the classroom? Is this a classroom? No. This is a sort of, what is this? You have to look for the word. This is what? This is what? This is a park. This is a park. Again, is this a classroom? No. It is a sort of street-like structures because most of the children, they get ice creams from the street hawkers. Then, yes, in picture number 1, we have a classroom. And what is happening in the classroom? There is a woman or a teacher painting a picture in the classroom. There is a teacher painting a picture in the classroom. So the verb is going to be painting. The next picture is the school. There is a school. And what are the children doing? Some sort of exercise. Okay. So we can construct a sentence. There are some children doing exercise outside the school. There are some children doing some exercise outside the school. Is it clear, children? Doing. Our verb is going to be doing. Next is, there is a man selling ice cream in the street. There is a man selling ice cream in the street. Is it clear, children? Now, number 4. What is happening in this picture? This is a playground. This is a playground. And what are the boys doing in the playground? There are some boys playing football in the playground. There are some boys playing. What are they doing? Playing. So the verb is going to be playing, playing. The boys are playing football in the ground. Here, children, we have just added ing at the end of the verb. No simple rule. The first rule has been applied here. Now, the last picture, picture number 5. There are some girls skipping in the park. There are some girls, what are they doing? Skipping. And now you know very well what you have to do in skipping. Yes, children, come on. Tell what you have to do in skipping. Which rule you have to apply? Skip. Now, this consonant has a vowel at the back. So, what are you going to do? You are going to double this P and then you will add ing. Skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Playing. Simply you will add ing with the play. Painting. Simply you will add ing with the paint. Doing. D-O do. ing. Simple addition of ing. Selling. Again, simple addition of ing. Good luck, children. Now complete your work, and I hope you have understood the concept very well. Have a nice day.